Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's video. Today's video is a review on the ESDOMERA engagement ring. I got contacted by the brand ESDOMERA and they offered to send me a ring of choice, so I want to review it with you today. So the ring itself was actually gifted by ESDOMERA, so thank you so much to ESDOMERA for giving me the opportunity to work with you, and I really love the ring and I'm sure everybody's going to love it as well. So if this is the type of video you like, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that bell button. Let's get into the unboxing. So this is the actual packaging that it comes in. So I'll do a little screenshot on the side here. ESDOMERA is actually an online website and they do rings that are very similar to diamonds called moissanite. Is that right? Moissanite? I don't know whether I'm pronouncing that correctly. So this is the actual packaging from ESDOMERA. I was gifted the 14 karat gold engagement ring. Now I'm not getting engaged, guys, but yeah, I got the 14 karat gold engagement ring. I'm gonna obviously leave the unboxing because it is absolutely beautiful. So yeah, I'm going to show you what's inside here now. So that's the packaging on the outside, and it kind of comes with a little drawer here at the front that you unbox like this. It's a little drawer. And inside you obviously get the ring, which is here, a little card which I'll go through in a second, and you get a little dust bag as well. If you want to go travelling, you can pop your items in the bag. So you get a little velvet pouch as well, really good for travelling and stuff like that. So it comes with this lovely like tissue paper inside the card here as well. It's got ESDOMERA sort of embossed on the front there. There inside here is your guarantee. So this is the I think they've got the warranty ID on here as well. This is basically the lifetime warranty and certificate of authenticity, which looks like that. Which is really nice card. Obviously, if you've got any problems with your moissanite ring or anything like that, you'll be able to either return it or exchange it or whatever. But these are all literally handmade. They don't just do engagement rings, they do like wedding bands. They do such lovely different types of rings. And I was really stuck for choice. I wasn't sure what to get because I literally liked all of them. So yeah, that is the card that comes with it. When it comes to the ring itself, it comes like boxed like this. And inside this box is the actual ring box with the ESDOMERA on the front there. And then inside, here we are. I actually chose the Halo heart-shaped 1 carat moissanite ring. It's actually in 14 karat gold as well. It is classed as a wedding ring and it's currently on sale at the moment as well for $435. I think there's about 20% off. But not only that, I can offer, today we've got a discount code, so I'll pop it on the screen. It's called YTJane for 10% off your first purchase. That could possibly include the discounted ones as well, I would think so. So that's a really good price. Obviously, if you want to get a discount today, you can use that off your first purchase. So I'm just going to pop the ring on as well. You have to give them your ring size. I did give them my size, but I think my it's slightly on the big side for my right hand. So there you go. As you can see, it's a little bit on the big side. It actually fits very nicely on my middle finger. If you can see that. Oh, that looks stunning. It's got all the little stones everywhere. So yeah, that is the ring. I actually really fell in love with like the heart shape. Obviously, if you've seen in my other videos, I do have a square shaped one already that's in like a silver with sort of like stones along the side like this. But obviously with this being rose gold, I wanted a completely different shape. So I was really in love with the heart shape. So that's what it looks like on my middle finger. I kind of like it on my end hands there, but obviously if you were engaged, if you wanted to buy it for a loved one, if you're a male watching my videos, excuse the bruise on my hand, guys, by the way. I had a little bit of an accident yesterday. I dropped something on my hand, so yeah, I've got a slight bruise on my fingers, but obviously engagement wise, that's what it would look like. which looks absolutely stunning. I'm going to do some cut-ins now just to see it in the different sorts of lights and stuff so that you can see. Obviously right here I've got loads of lights on me. I've got like 4 different lights just lighting up my face, so obviously it's going to pick up the sparkle, so I want you to see it in sort of natural light and other types of light as well, so that you can see how much it sparkles, because I know you can get a really good sparkle under studio type light. So I'm going to do some cut-ins now so that you can have a look at the different lighting. So all the items for the ring are listed below, along with the discount code and the link to the ESDOMERA website. Please go and have a look. They have some amazing stuff. And thank you as well to ESDOMERA and also to Rebecca for actually gifting this. Rebecca from ESDOMERA for actually gifting this to me. So thank you, Rebecca. I absolutely love it, and I'm going to look forward to wearing it all the time. So yeah, that's everything for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to give me a big thumbs up, that would be brilliant. If you want to subscribe, you can do it in the link below. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and I'll leave it on the screen. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye!